Good afternoon guys. Today I will unbox a new product for you. This is a camping table which you can use if you are camping outside, and this is very handy. As you can see, it is just like this. It's a little bit weighty since I think it's not made of aluminium, but if you travel by car or any particular own transport, you can easily transport this without any difficulty. So let me unbox it and I will show you how to fit this particular camping table. So the table comes in a bag like this, so you can easily carry it like this, those who are traveling. So it can be carried like this. Now let me open what are the contents inside. I purchased this around 1800 rupees. This is fully portable. So these are the table legs, and there is a indicator how you should place the top. That is also very important. Now first I will prepare the legs and then provide the tabletop. It's very easy. Now these are the locks, so that your table remains firm. Now I will just unroll the top and use this particular elastic locks to tighten it up. This is the orientation. Remember that these two should match. So your table is prepared. This is the Star model, and I purchased it around 1800 rupees, and it is fully portable. As you can see, you can keep it tells that it can support up to 3 to 4 kgs of weight, so that will be sufficient for you. You can place a small gas stove and cook over it. So you can easily place a gas stove on it and do your cooking, and it's quite heavy. It won't be a problem for you to keep a heavy gas like this, and if you have a small burner, it's much easier for you. So that's a quick unboxing of this camping table, and if you have liked this video, please do subscribe, and if you are interested to purchase this particular product, I will give you the link in the description box. So that's all for today, and goodbye.